What's going on, pumpkin people? I'm here with Casper. I'm going to give you an update on how Casper's doing. It's the home stretch here. Stick around and find out how Casper did last week. Here we go. All right, this is going to be a quick update on Casper. Casper put on about 20 pounds last week, and you can see here the plant is pretty bad back here. And if you spin around, still got some foliage. And believe it or not, she put on about 20 pounds last week. She's looking pretty good. Got some scars from, my fingernails measuring, and some cantalouping going on here on the sides. Overall, looking pretty good. This little wound here, I don't know how this happened, but it's healed up quite nice. I made sure I kept it dry, and I put some sulfur powder on that, and looks like it's scabbed up really well, and it's dry and no further damage there. I keep the water out of my blossom area here. Let's see if I can get that to free focus. Yeah, see, there's a little bit of water that collects. I just try to keep that as dry as possible. I don't want that water sitting in there. But the blossom is still solid. No signs of rot or anything. And like I mentioned in the last video, you got to take care of those mice. So I put down some rat or mice poison blocks just on the bottom of the pumpkin. So if the mice decide to go up underneath our pumpkin, they run into that first before they put a hole in the back of Casper. But it's funny, looking at the front here. Let's show you the stem of Casper. Looking nice, no splits. Looking really good. I don't see any issues. And you also see here, she's kind of turning some orange up front. And it actually got a little bit of like green or something, like grayish green. Not the prettiest pumpkin, but I am hopeful Casper is going to give us a personal best this year. That's my neighbor's dog barking in the background. But the weigh-off is going to be September 20th at the Big E in West Springfield, Massachusetts. We're going to be cutting Casper off the vine September 18th, and then my buddy's going to come over with a bobcat, and we're going to get a rigging system and put it on top, and we're going to pick up the pumpkin, and I'm going to show you guys that whole process once we do that. I've never really done that before, so that'll be a trial by fire type of thing. So I gotta read up and do some research on how to lift these up. But just wanted to give you a quick update. This video is just about Casper and in general, how Casper is doing health wise, and just giving a good overall picture of what this pumpkin's going to be turning out to be. I'm hoping we have a new personal best. But everyone put your comments below on what you think Casper is going to weigh before we put her on the scale. So put your comment below and take a guess on what Casper weighs. But yeah, the plant's really spent, but we're still putting on some pounds. It's still growing very slowly, but it's gonna be warm this week, so I'm hoping put on just maybe 10 more pounds or so before the weigh off. But thanks again, everybody. Like and subscribe to our page if you haven't already. And I think the next video will be us just lifting Casper out of the patch. And we'll show you, putting her up on the pallet and up on the truck. So I'll show you how we do that. So stick around and hit that notification button. Subscribe to our page so you won't miss out. Thanks again. Until next time, growing big.